Before we get started, I will give you a quick overview of our current exhibition, She Sweeps with Many Colored Brooms, Paintings and Prints by Emily Mason. Emily Mason was an American abstract painter and printmaker whose work was characterized by brilliant hues and surprising color combinations. This exhibition showcases her earliest experiments in oil on paper and in printmaking. Mason developed her unique artistic voice through experimentation and manipulation of color. Understanding the use of color is important when viewing art, especially when viewing abstract art like the ones we've seen in this exhibition. Abstract artists use color, lines, and shapes to express their feelings and ideas. In this painting, Untitled, Mason used various colors, shapes, and lines. Yet in this painting, Untitled, Mason used mostly color. Mason worked with primary, secondary, and complementary colors. Primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. These colors are used to create all other colors. If you were to mix two colors from this group, you would create secondary colors. Secondary colors are green, purple, and orange. Yellow and red make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Lastly, red and blue make purple. Complementary colors, on the other hand, are pairs of colors that are opposite on the color wheel. Those pairs are red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. When placed next to each other, complementary colors make each other appear brighter. For Mason, understanding and discovering how colors influence each other helped her during her painting career and enabled her to create such vibrant paintings. I encourage you and your adult to come to the Bruce Museum to explore the exhibition She Sweeps with Many Colored Brooms, Paintings and Prints by Emily Mason, which is up until March 21st.
I love you.
fun today to experiment with color, just like Emily Mason. Today we will be making our colorful ladybugs based on this exhibition. So let's get started. For this activity, you will need different color construction paper, glue, and a pair of scissors. Start by drawing your ladybug's head on black construction paper. Then draw one large circle on all of your colored construction paper. Next, cut out the circles and the ladybug's head you drew. You should now have one large circle for each color. Think back to the 3 color groups Emily Mason used to create her artwork: primary, secondary, and complementary colors. Choose what group you would like your ladybug to represent. Once you have chosen, pick 2 colors and cut one of the circles in half. I chose green and red. So I will cut the green circle in half. You would then take the 2 halves and glue them on top of the larger circle. Make sure you glue your ladybug's head to the rest of the body. Let me show you my example. I chose to make complementary color ladybugs. I created 2 ladybugs using the colors blue and orange and green and red. Feel free to make as many as you'd like. Remember to share your crafts with the Bruce Museum via our social media with the hashtag Bruce Museum.